think, Marge. All I need is a title.
All right. Welcome again, one and all. Welcome back. My name is GamerCat, and you're listening to GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and continue up the ladder if we can, playing our aggro warrior pirate deck. Basically, I'll play this deck until I'm tired of playing it, because it's a really good deck. I like it. I do like the Murloc deck that I play, but this one's doing pretty good right now on the ladder, so we'll keep it up for a while. We haven't seen the Shaman in a while. This will be interesting. We haven't seen Shaman in a while. We got a good progression, 1 through 4 right there, and we are starting second. So, yeah, there we go. We'll go ahead and keep that. Even though we don't have a weapon to really start things off. Now, the problem that Shaman has is that this guy's relatively powerful, but it also the overload mechanic messes with you quite a bit here. You know, I'm going to go ahead and throw him out just basically as charge bait. Whoa, hello, I forgot about him. Go ahead and both of the others are going to become charge bait here. And we're going to kind of grind him down a little bit. Yeah, that totem's useless, and charge bait it was. Okay. So I've got 2, I'll have 3 here in a second. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and use the coin to get her out. I don't have a weapon though. Let's go ahead and use it to get this guy out. And we kind of messed up the coin. Okay, fine. But in this case, I'm going to protect my field. And there we go. Yeah, I don't want to have anything where he can take either of these two and get them bigger. So, okay. Do the weapon 1/1. Oh, okay. Again, I don't know. Hold on a second. Hold on. You know, we're gonna go ahead and do it. We got a bigger character out there to secure our field, so we're good. This character here is useless. This right here. He does give us spell damage +1, but he's useless as an attacker, so that's good. Oh, there's a little bit of an overload there. Let's see what we can do about that. How I can handle it is... well, we'll go ahead and do this. I don't recommend this all the time, but we need to get the 7/7 off the screen, and we do need to make him pay for doing that. So there it is. With overload, my tactic is to make you pay for any time you do overload. See, as a result of him playing overload and not being able to do anything with that card, the next thing he pulled out was a 1/1 creature. So very ineffective on that turn, probably because overload sucked ass. I'll grab a Fire Blast. And I can probably use it. I like him. Go ahead and do that and that. Neutralize any useful totems. make him pay for any use of the overload mechanic. And there you go. Okay. Equip a black hook, or a rusty hook. We'll go ahead and do you. And you. And you. I probably should have done it beforehand, but well, that's fine. Go. For the moment, we're doing pretty good. Ah, +1 spell damage. Okay, this will kill pretty much everything on the board. Up to number 7. We're up to turn 7. Let's think. Well, first off, spell damage over here too, so that's kind of one issue there. Get her out. And yeah, that'll be a little bit more of a pain in the rear end for him to take out. Even with this guy here. He'll be able to take her out, but he'll be able to take her out, but he'll do 5 damage to himself, which will make it easy for me to kill him next turn. I kind of expect him to take out this character though. Oops, not like that though. Bringing out some jade and the healing totem. Okay, let's do this and that, and there we go. Go ahead and you know what? We really ought to kill one of these other totems. I don't want to kill that one. Because that one is giving us a spell boost, which I don't like. 4 damage to a minion, overload 1, so there's 1 overload. Another jade and restoring some health. We've lost the field battle here, which is, you know, really kind of bad at the moment. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go straight at the face. I gotta watch what I do. Get him down where I'm at, so that's a little bit more even, but he's gonna go straight face. Okay. I've had people do that and mess up before, and this might very well be it. Or maybe not. Everybody gets healed. Let's go ahead and do him and him. Okay, and then what we can do is ping off little guy there. But we can't really do anything. Let's see, 3, 5, 8, 11, 13. But he has to hit this guy. So let's see what happens. Seeing what happens here. Okay. And face. The rest of it will be face. I'm pretty sure. And there you go. Alright. Not so successful on this one against the shaman, but that happens, especially since it was laced with a little bit of jade too. And jade's usually pretty difficult to deal with. Of course, hey guys, if you see something in here that I made a mistake, I made a different play would have been better, let me know. I mean, I'm here to learn too. I'm as I've said in other episodes, I'm not an expert at this. My purpose here is pretty much to show you how I do things, to show you my own insights into things. But I'm not here to say that I'm a major expert at this. So if you see something that could be better, let me know. I want to learn better ways to play the game myself. As for my rank here, I really don't care if I go to. I've been up as far as 17 so far this month. I could drop back down to 20 and not really worry about it too much. I get more enjoyment out of playing the game. So anyway, with all that rant being done now, if you do have a comment or if you like what you've seen, please feel to write about it in the comment section below. And in the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.